about a month. I wasn't sure what the problem was, so I went to the doctor and they referred me to a physical therapist. Well, the problem I was having pain in my groin area as I walked, a lot of aching, so that it kind of disrupted my ability to keep moving. I had to stop and rest to make it go away. Well, you start becoming less and less active and you can't do what you used to be able to do, so and you can feel the difference, yes. No, I didn't try and treat it at home. I didn't know how to treat it. I actually went to the doctor who referred me here. No, I've never been to physical therapy before. I expected kind of what I experienced, a lot of stretching and movement and trying to stretch out the muscles. It seemed like the muscles in my hips were giving me a problem, and so that's what we worked on, trying to stretch those out, yes. I would always recommend it because it seems to help and work, and it's the best thing to do if you're having problems, yeah. Well, everybody was always very cheerful and friendly, and so you noticed that right away, and they called you by your name, so you feel like you belonged and you're part of the group here. So I was very happy with the reception I got. I want to be able to move around more and be able to walk without any problems, and I achieved all of that. I still have some soreness and stiffness, but I'll try to keep working on that and get back to 100%.